Cooking with cast iron has long been the gold standard for premium cuisine. The unparalleled cook quality of cast iron is the absolute best. But when food sticks on, they're a real mess. Not to mention the seasoning, the cleaning, the rusting, the weight, and all the oil needed to keep food from sticking. But what if you could enjoy the benefits of cast iron cooking without all the headaches? Now you can with the Iron Age fry pan from JML. You get all the benefits of real cast iron cooking without all the frustration. This kitchen staple features a true lightweight cast iron body with ergonomic stainless steel handle for ease of use both on the hob and in the oven. The secret is the unique honeycomb design, engineered to specially mold to the non-stick coating, causing even the most troublesome foods to slide off with ease. Best of all, the Iron Age fry pan's high-low technology allows oil molecules to cling to the pan's surface, not to your food, allowing your delectable dishes to slide off with ease and without the excess fat. Just look at how easy it is to transfer even the most troublesome dishes from pan to plate. The amazing Iron Age fry pan delivers on all the benefits of true cast iron cooking. And there's more. Unlike other cast iron cast-offs, the Iron Age fry pan is completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. We tried everything to get something to stick to this pan. Caramels, marshmallows, and even plastic. And none of it stuck. That's amazing! Imagine burgers prepared to perfection, mouth-watering fish fillets, even stir-fries are ready in no time. Hot, flavorful, and with less oil for a more natural taste to love the way you look. And cleanup is a breeze. Just look at this amazing assortment of delicious foods, all prepared with the Iron Age fry pan with no added oil. Mouth-watering pasta primavera, amazing salmon and asparagus, ooey gooey cinnamon rolls baked in the oven. Traditional cast iron skillets make a baked-on mess and cleanup takes forever. But the Iron Age fry pan combines the best of tried and true cast iron cooking with the modern convenience of non-stick dishwasher-friendly technology. With the Iron Age fry pan, you're getting an incredible frying pan that will transform your cooking experience. The body of the pan is made out of lightweight cast iron, making it perfect for cooking on the hob and in the oven. You can roast delicious meals without worrying because it's oven safe up to 280 degrees. And the handle is ergonomic stainless steel for easy maneuverability. The honeycomb design and raised surface make it super non-stick, so you can make healthy meals with no oil. And it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Get your 20cm Iron Age pan for the amazing price of only $24.99. Go online or ask your operator about the other sizes available and how you can take advantage of Iron Age pan's exclusive bumper TV offer and get the complete set featuring 3 incredible Iron Age pans. You'll also receive the casserole dish and 2 glass lids. We'll even throw in free delivery. All this for only $129.99. That's almost a £20 saving. Amazing! We're so confident you'll love your Iron Age fry pan that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back for a refund. Enjoy the benefits of cast iron cooking with the lightweight Iron Age fry pan from JML. Not available in stores, so call or go online now.